Today we have Afik from Israel who is going to make Italian pasta in the Indian kitchen. So let's join Afik and see how she makes pasta in the Indian kitchen. She gently places the pasta into hot boiling water and let it cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, she starts chopping vegetables to add to her pasta. Watch this heartwarming video where a young traveler from Israel prepares Italian pasta inside a traditional Indian family kitchen. It is a beautiful cultural exchange you don't have to miss. If you love cross-cultural travel, local experiences, this video is for you. Carrots do you want me to chop?
Very small pieces.
Okay, you show me
Okay.
how you want to.
Like this, like you're doing the salad.
Let me join her and help her in chopping some vegetables. You want me to like it to be done like this,
Yes.
as you told me, into 4.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I'll do exactly you teaches. See how food connects people beyond borders, cooking together, connecting hearts across continents. It's good to help Afik making Italian pasta in the Indian kitchen. She wants to pulp up these tomatoes, so making tomato puree of our own at the home.
I'm going to make tomato sauce.
She prepares the tomato gravy using 4 fresh tomatoes to add to her pasta.
Now I'm chopping shimla mirch.
To cook pasta for 5, she chops 2 onions, 2 carrots, 2 capsicum, as we call them shimla mirch, but she calls them as shimla chili, 6 cloves of garlic and 4 red tomatoes.
It's ready.
After boiling the pasta, she strains it and rinses it with the cold water to let it cool down.
I am finished boiling my pasta.
So friends, our chopping is completed and now we are going to prepare the pasta. In the meantime, she begins cooking a flavorful gravy using vegetables and tomatoes for her pasta. Tell me now what you need. First, you want to cook with the olive oil?
Yes,
Okay. How much olive oil shall I put? Just check.
that's enough. I think.
It's enough? Okay. And now what you are going to put it?
The onion first.
Onions first.
Yes.
Okay, shall I help you?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Okay, I hold and you drop your onions. And now what else you need after the onions?
You need to add the spices. And garlic, of course.
Okay. You also want to add the Indian spices?
Yes.
As per your style. It's not my style. It's your style.
Okay, so only some salt.
Okay.
A little bit chili.
Yeah. It's not too hot, so you can add some more chilies into
Okay.
it. Yeah, that will be good in pasta.
Yes.
Italian pasta made by an Israeli girl in the Indian kitchen with Indian spices. Very strange combination we have. And do you want that
Yes, black pepper.
black pepper also?
Just a little bit.
Just a little. Okay.
Thanks.
You can take from there, just take the vegetables, your onions and garlic. Do you think oil is enough? Or do you need more?
No, I think it's enough. Enough oil.
Okay. Good. Do it your style. She half fry the chopped onions and garlic in olive oil, then adds spices including red chili powder, salt and black pepper.
Onion is ready.
Now what would you like to do?
I will add the carrots.
Ah, nice. Good.
The carrots need more time to be cooked, and then we add the shimla chili. Shimla chili. Okay, this is the time to add the shimla chili. I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper. Okay, now it's the good time to add the tomato.
I hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative and inspiring travel videos. Join Summit Safari India for a Shimla cooking and food tour where you'll cook with a local family, explore authentic Indian recipes, learn about traditional spices and cooking methods and enjoy heartwarming stories of the Indian culture.
Now the vegetables are ready and it's time to add the pasta.
I am already getting the taste of pasta and can't wait any longer to try it.
Okay, let me tell you how it tastes.
How is it?
Really good.
Is the salt okay?
Yes.
We'll add some cream also into it
Mm-hmm.
at the end, okay?
Okay.
So her pasta is ready and she says it is good. But when we eat, we will tell you how good her pasta is.
Now I'll put some cream into it. My pasta is ready.
It looks very nice. Let's see when you serve your pasta how it tastes. This is what happens when two cultures meet in the heart of an Indian home. From sharing smiles and stories to learning new cooking techniques, this is more than just a meal. So pasta is ready. Okay, we are ready to eat it. Yeah.
Enjoy the pasta.
Yes.
How is the pasta?
Good, excellent. So nice.
Do you really like the pasta?
Yeah. I like this.
Very good, very tasty. So everyone says the pasta is very tasty. It means now it's my turn to taste it and give her the remarks on her pasta, how she has cooked. Very nice. Good flavors, good taste, excellent salt, and it's very delicious. Thank you. So we are enjoying the pasta made by Israeli girl, Italian pasta in the Indian kitchen with the Indian spices. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and definitely when you come, we'll make pasta also for you.